So I've just checked into Jazz Corner Hotel. This is my room. And as he comes through, so that's kind of the doorway there. There's a kind of corridor through to the main living and bedroom. And then just here to the left hand side is the bathroom. So sink, all of the different toiletries there and towels. Yeah. Shower. So it all looks really clean and nice. Toilet. And then in here, I just realised there was, because it's kind of like an apartment, or kind of that kind of style, washing machine if you need it. And then if you go through, so this is like the table, sofa, a TV in here, and aircon and heating kind of thing. And then this is the kitchen area, so you've got dishwasher, oven, hob, microwave, fridge freezer at the end. And then all of your different bits are in here. So glasses, bowls, plates, cups. I got the kettle out straight away because I know that I'm going to be using that. They leave all of these for you as well. And then up here there's also a toaster, and I think that's a coffee machine. So pretty nice facilities, a little sink there, so it'll be good for 2 people staying here. So through here is the bedroom area. Again, another TV on the wall, and so it's called Jazz Corner, and the thing is that they have a jazz bar downstairs, so everywhere has kind of musical stuff. There's a telephone over in the corner as well, and then in here, this is where you'd your wardrobe, where you'd hang all of your stuff. But it's also got an ironing board, an iron up there, safe, extra pillows, so pretty nice. Just a really nice kind of very spacious place. And then the last thing that I'll take you out to see is the balcony. So this is where I am in Melbourne. So Southern Cross Station, I think, is down that way, down that road, not far away, and just over the road here is Flagstaff Station. I think you can see it there. And then this big park in front here, which is really nice. I've seen people working out there, walking dogs. You pretty close to all of the CBD stuff. So I think you would class this as the down at the bottom of the CBD, but it's pretty central still. And there's trams, there's bus stops that go all over the city. So you can see down there. We'll be travelling this way in a second. There's a tram. So all of the transport right outside of where you're staying if you're here. And it's a really good location for me for work, because I've got some work to do here in Melbourne. And seems to be a really comfortable, nice place. The staff downstairs were really good. And there's a little jazz bar in case I want to go and see some of the people who are playing. I think it's, let's see what it says here, it's Latin Jazz Month, so this month is jazz. Here's all of the different things, so this must be the drinks that they serve downstairs in the jazz basement bar. Then a bit of a kind of what's on guide, And again, like all of the different like jazz things, and this is like right up my street, this kind of thing. So it was really nice that this was an option, and it was a pretty reasonable option for work. So yeah, I'm really pleased with being able to stay here.